Let's solve this equation that has something unique about it, something different. So let's take a look. We don't have any parentheses, so there's no distributive property. So the next thing I want to do is look on this one side of the equation and see if I can combine like terms. On the left, there's just a 3, so I can bring that down. But on the right, I have these two R values, so those are my variable. So it says R minus R. Well, 1R minus 1R is 0 R's. That sounds weird. Okay, there are 0 of them. So that means they're gone, right? Some people want to say that they cancel out. If you want to say that, that works for me. So all that's left over here is -3. Well, this is starting to seem a little strange, right? R 3 equals -3. That's not true. +3 is not equal to -3. If that is not true, then what we have is no solution. So we would state there is no solution to this equation. And that happens sometimes. It's not a very common thing that we see, but just know that that can happen. If you get a statement that's not true, first thing I would do absolutely is go back and say, okay, did I mess up somewhere? Let me double check myself. But if you've not made a mistake, then that just means that there's no solution to this problem. There's not a single number anywhere that will make this a true equation. So that's the answer. It's kind of different, kind of odd. That's how it works. I hope that helps. And remember, don't let anyone think less of you because you're young. See you next time.